Watch me patch up these holes that are in the wall. This is a unit that we are renting, and these holes were there when we viewed the unit. I didn't bother to ask the landlord to repair the holes because I knew that I could do it myself and I wanted to give it a try. So I am taking these mesh patches and I am applying them to the holes. So I am taking this putty and I am filling in the holes and covering the patches. Now I am sanding, and you can see there's still some pink. I did this project over the course of 3 days. So I am mixing this paint. I didn't like the application with the paintbrush, so I decided to use the roller. And on the other side, I did some patches.